Okay, a friend of mine posted a picture of this online earlier. I've passed this for years. Never even knew it was here. One of those hidden in plain sight. So it looks like they've cut all the trees down from round the front, and so it's now unearthed this little gem. Looks like there was a hoarder who lived in here. Didn't have much of a bath in there. This little gem. Obviously somebody's bought it and they're gonna knock this down, renovate. Old wooden roof. Whole lot's made out of wood. Apparently it was one of the workers' house. I'm not too sure what workers for what, but got a big barn out the back there. Yeah, the barn's twice the size of the house. Maybe this was something to do with the railway. The railway runs along the back. What a place. What a place. Nice bit of real estate. Somebody spotted this old gem. The railway's up there. Maybe something to do with that. A bit more of a look round, try and get some photos. Look at the land. Some sort of old garage there. That's the bedroom, what I didn't... Oh yeah, cool. Modern day lighting there though, so it's been lived in not that long ago, and modern day fire alarm. What a waste. Let's get some photos.